elegant, opulent, and plush. These are synonymous with any modern-day commercial and residential destination. Car parks are often your point of access at such places, and an aesthetically pleasing parking makes for a good impression up front. It is of late that developers have realized this aspect and are looking for effective ways to make for a pleasing car park experience. Each parking facility consists of a range of zones and areas that have different flow protection needs. While approach ramps and turning circles are exposed to higher abrasion and impact stresses due to vehicular movement, internal decks require floors that are easy to clean and provide excellent resistance to corrosive oils amongst other elements. External decks are often exposed to sunlight, and creating a dust-free UV stable barrier is essential to ensure substrate durability. Line markings and visual elements on columns and stairways require films that are UV stable, tough, and scratch resistant. Often overlooked, the right synergy between waterproofing and surface coating materials is critical in delivering long-term protection to the subfloor, while maintaining a seamless and visually pleasing appearance to the car park, along with structural integrity to provide a safe facility for car park operators and vehicle owners. RPPL, through its PU Crete family, brings to you Polydeck CP, a foolproof car park protection overlay system. Consisting of a heavily cross-linked polyurethane matrix, the system is completely impervious and displays exceptionally high impact resistance, toughness, abrasion, and chemical resistance at comparable compressive strength to the base slab. A well-leveled concrete substrate with a compressive strength of 20 to 25 MPa is ideal. Pre-treatment, as required, is done prior to priming of the substrate with a two-component water-based epoxy primer. This is done to ensure excellent interlayer adhesion to the substrate, averse to peeling off. Broadcasting of fine sand is done manually to provide a body to the primer coat. The primer is then left to cure overnight or for a minimum of 12 hours. The Polydeck CP screed, applied as a base coat, comes in the form of a kit comprising of 4 pre-packed components. Each component is added serially into an empty bucket and allowed to be stirred under a high-speed stirrer for about a minute. The screed mix is laid over the primed surface and spread using a flat trowel before being leveled using a roller. Broadcast quartz, packed in proportion to each kit, is then manually broadcast over the base coat to form a body coat with a very rough and abrasive appearing finish. The layer is left to cure for 12 hours. Post-curing, a Polydeck CP screed kit is then relayed over the cured abrasive base coat and left to cure for 12 hours. The cured Polydeck CP screed coat will result in a slightly glossy looking grit exposure finish. A two-component PU paint is coated over the screed coat to form the final layer, giving the floor the desired UV stability along with scratch resistance. The finish can either be matte or semi-glossy depending upon the location of the overlay. Line markings and other displays are painted using RPPL's Enaqua Pro Shield paint as per compatible color shades or combinations. Aesthetically pleasing, the finished floor provides a watertight, tough and durable barrier. The anti-skid and high abrasion resistance properties, along with the elimination of unnecessary noise from tire squeals, results in a safe driving environment. The floor is inert to all engine oils and chemicals, and the film provides an excellent scratch resistance. The system is low in VOC and solvent free, providing excellent UV stability for all exposed surfaces. As first impressions go, this tailor-made car park overlay system will turn any utilitarian car parking into a functional space, with a high-performance floor merged with a decorative appearance. RPPL's Polydeck CP range is designed to fulfill all the expected challenges encountered in today's multi-storied car park systems. The combination of a long-lasting, easy-to-maintain floor that can be finished in various geometric designs to make appealing visuals makes it the ideal solution for all modern car park structures, where the focus is to deliver a functional space with the expected aesthetics.